Hi guys, welcome back to another video. One or two of the bars starting to open up now. See the out back there. So just going to have a quick walk down there. We're a bit early coming down here, but I'll show you which bars are open. Not quite dark yet. Crane up in front of us, that's back open. I did film all these the other day and I found out the camera was on pause. So I hope it goes a bit better tonight. Look like I got a few in the Crown. I've got live entertainment on in there now. Come over this side. Queen's Arms. And I'm hoping Broadway are open now. I think they are. There we go, let's talk over this. YouTube don't like us, put music on there, so there we go. Shall we go? Anyway, this guys, if we suddenly get quiet, you'll know why. This Queen's Arms are open. Broadway open. Starting to get look a bit more like. Still a lot of road works round here, so I'm gonna just I'll show you what's going on the square, which is not going to be called the square now, I shouldn't imagine. There's the one part of it. Probably going to put music over this. The trees are back in. We've done the same trees. Not sure about that. You can see they ain't going to be long before they're tiling it, and then it'll be back open again as normal. And there's the other side. That's looking about the same. Looks like some of that sand needs straightening out a bit, but in the corner you got Lucky Games. It's open. Right, trying to get up to the sign there. There you go. Okay, that's about all that's open down here. Now that looks like there's more open. Let's go and have a look. Now, that's a White Star bar that I can see there, yeah. Over the road. They're doing plenty of entertainment in there as well. Cabaret acts on and whatnot. Great pool. Great place to go and have a drink. Watch the football. whether YouTube are going to let us away with that. We'll try. So suddenly goes quiet, of course. The pulled it again. I think everybody's outside tonight. It's 23 degrees. It's cooled off quite a bit today, so I don't know. Go have a quick look at these guys. Dare say you'll recognise these guys. Zoomed up there, yep. The beetles there. That's something quite not open round the back here. No, okay guys, we're going to have to leave it there, I think. Have we got a list of exits on yet, Marcus? Definitely getting a bit busier tonight, guys. Sorry about coughing there. No, it's just... we got a list in there, what... One more, Marcus. What?
That board has that sawboard.
Okay. There we go. That's the one that's got the axe on. Not too many, that's usually full. So the axe are starting to come. Of course not all the axe are back yet. Cheeky City over the road there. That's not open, I don't know why that's not open. And obviously over the other side, Planet Benidorm, which isn't open at the moment. Okay guys, if you like the video, you want to watch more from Benidorm, watch the ones coming up in the card now. We'll see you on the next one guys. Bye.